Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Karen. Today we are diving into the story behind one of our most cherished pieces, green nephrite jade bracelets with 18K yellow gold and the freshwater pearl. Let's talk about the materials that make this bracelet truly special. As mentioned, the 6mm green nephrite jade beads are the heart of this bracelet. The green hue is not only visually stunning, but also carries a sense of tranquility and balance. And I chose 3mm 18K yellow gold seamless beads for its luxurious feel and timeless appeal. The gold beads add a touch of elegance, making this bracelet suitable for any occasion. Finally, the freshwater pearl. Pearls have long been associated with purity and wisdom. The combination of jade, gold, and pearl creates a harmonious blend of materials that complement each other beautifully. This bracelet isn't just a beautiful accessory, it's a piece rich with history and meaning. Jade has been treasured for thousands of years, especially in East Asian cultures, where it symbolizes purity, protection, and harmony. And our green nephrite jade is sourced from the finest mines, ensuring the authenticity and quality. And nephrite jade is known for its durability and rich green color. So each 6mm bead in this bracelet is carefully selected and polished to perfection, highlighting its natural beauty. I dedicated my heart and soul to every piece I create. The precise craftsmanship guarantees that each bracelet is not only stunning, but also built to last. And this design is both simple and elegant, allowing the natural beauty of the materials truly shine. And check out the link in the description to get your own authentic green nephrite bracelet. Until next time, stay stylish and stay inspired. Thank you for joining me today, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more stories behind our unique pieces. See you next time. Bye bye.